Okay, we are back. And do you know what we're going to be playing today? It's going to be something called a chicken farm. And I know, it's very, very delicious. Chicken is delicious. But that's not the topic. We are going to be playing something very, very, very cool. So, let's not waste time and let's get into it. Okay, we are in the game, and as you can see, I just loaded it, and I am a newbie. What is this game? Yo! Is that a Minecraft chicken? Wait, what do I do with the egg? I grabbed the egg. No! Wait. Do I just grab eggs? I just deposit egg. Okay. Collect my cash. Oh, okay. No. Oh, yes. And we are going to do it. Excuse me. Okay, we bought how much cash? Yo! I only have $1. They scammed me. They scammed me. Wait, can I steal? I wanna steal. Oh, that Ying Yang. That Ying Yang one. He's AFK. Go. Oh. You can't steal. Bro, I thought you could. You fool. Yo. I wanna get rich like that. Is this mine? Yeah. Let's steal my eggs. Wait. Yo. How much money do I have? How much money do I have? Why do I still have 0? 875. Okay, we are spending a lot of Robux. Oh my gosh! Yo! What just happened? Yo, wait! Where did my things go? Yo! Bro, watch this. I'm spending all my money. Bro, why did this take away all my stuff? What are those? Yo! This game is actually something I would spend half my life on. And maybe's. I bet! Notify me. Mystery! Cost 87. Unlock. Oh! Mushroom! Mushroom cat. No, that's a mushroom chicken. You discovered there's 2. No. Discard. Egg multiplier rose. Wow. Hold on, let me just collect my money. Oh. Then let me just do this. Wait, do that. Wait, should I spend more money on this game? I don't know if we should spend more money. But I'm taking it. Bro, 3,000 eggs! Oh my gosh, look at that go up. I need to borrow some of this. No. Please be good. B again? I don't think bees. Oh my gosh. Look at that rise. Wait. 25. I wanna. Yes! I'm rich! I'm rich now! I'm actually rich! Get up to my level, bumps! My gosh! I'm just doing this for days. How much lucky things are gonna be spawning, bro? Duck? Wait! What happened to my stuff? Okay. Yo, there's mushroom sushi and stuff? Gosh dang, I need to unlock it. Like, I'm forced to. Who's my favorite out of all these? Mushroom one. If I had a chance to save one, I would save the mushroom one. Forget them. Yo. Wait. Deposit my eggs. Yo. Wait, hold on. Where's my volume? Where's my volume? Oh. Hopefully you guys can hear me because I cannot. Oh my gosh. You guys are seeing this, right? Yo. Oh my. Yo, wait. Should we spend Robux to auto collect? Oh, I don't got enough Robux. Oh, yo. Wait, what if we just stand here where we just... No, because I need to... Wait, was that a Minecraft one? Oh yeah. Look at the fit. If you don't think it's good, just listen to
What do you mean the fit is not hard? You're just a hater.
I was spinning bars.
That's all you do is hate.
This game's actually kind of
Holy
fun.
shit.
Are you hearing yourself?
Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. What is this? 5. Oh! I'm gonna try to go for this. I don't want to auto move though. I want to like keep it. I want to be up there. Oh my gosh. 5,200. Oh my gosh, I can't even count. Oh, that's a diamond one. 17,000? That's no problem for me. Please be good. Please be good. Dummy. There's something in my eye. Ouch. Bro, this sucks. Oh, another one. Get away, back off. Gosh dang it, I have to discard it. Give me all of these. Gladly. No! Wait, I need to delete it. Okay. 7,000. Oh my god. Look at all this money I have. Watch this. Ooh. Oh. I don't want to merge though. Like, I want it. No! Keep the mystery stuff away. Mushroom! Mushroom! Thank you, mushrooms. Ooh. There's gold ones now? There's big ones too. Discard it. Wait, was that a new one? These chickens are so great. Thank you, chickens, for your eggs. Discard. Any lucky thing that we get, unless like we're rich, like rich, I'm gonna throw it away. Oh my gosh. Okay. Flashback. We only have $300. I think we need to cash in our chicken merge. That deposits. I don't know what that meant. Yo. Oh shoot! Look at that, guys. Ha! This guy sucks. Look at oh, never mind. We could do this. Yo, look at all these eggs. Oh, I need to collect them so they can produce more eggs. I think I'll get this now. No! Oh. Why did I do that? No. Yes, now we have more. That guy's up top is the main chicken. Egg multiplier rose 2. Discard all of these. Wait, no. Be dummy. No, discard. Wait, I did not realize we got the 5%. Wait, what's these chance? Dummy, nope. Discard. That's not even good. Like. Yo! You guys seen that? That was like, it was like that one was like, whoop, like really up there, and like really big. I need better ones. Wait, buy one, and we have 9,000. We're about to have so much now. Putting on Roblox auto collect. Should we do this? Yeah, let's do that. Let's auto collect money. Woo! Thank you for the support. You're welcome. Oh my gosh. This is gonna break my PC. 27,000? No problem. Yo, I thought I was gonna auto collect. No problem. Villager. I want the villager. I want the villager. Cause like I'm a Minecraft. Bro. Okay, this. No. We need like better ones. Let me just click all of these. Wait, how much what do you need a rebirth? 5 million? My gosh. Well, when I'm not recording this game, I'm gonna be AFK on this because we've been playing this for 11. Okay, please. 35,000. We didn't even got that much. We have to discard it. Give me all your eggs. Give me. Who's this guy? Who is that? Get it! Who's the person? Get it! Yeah! Yeah! Now I want to sell your guys. They got a villager! I want a villager. I need a villager. I need this villager. No! This villager is tier 8? Not even tier like 4 or something. Oh no. Oh yes. Look at this red. I don't even know. Yeah, no one mess with me. Actually, like, this. Collect all these eggs. Dummy, nope. We need like new ones. I need the blue ones, so I can get the villager. Villager is what I need most. I need that. Wait, should I buy another one? I wonder how big that would be actually. Let's do it. Yo! There's so much. Look how much basic chickens there are. There's like a lot. Yo! What is this one? Mushroom? It's nothing. Bro, what is that? Yo, my game is lagging. Yo! Over there, that was just a lot. If I accidentally click the merge, I'm gonna cry. Yo! This is really, really fun. I can see how people could get addicted to this really quick. Okay. Look how much eggs we already have. 1,882. I'm kidding. Wait, update? Wait, what's the update? Huh? Net worth? What is that? NO? Time 51 days? Oh, these who needs to get a total chicken? What is that? You're not on the leaderboard. You're not on the leaderboard. Yo. What did I drop to? What? What a drop? Yo. Wait. Give me this. Dummy. I thought it was gonna be like one of those coins. Like coins. Yo. Blue. Unlock. Please, villager. We're about to cook too, actually. We're not making no money. Oh, we are. Give me all the eggs you could get. Hold on. How do I get all the way over this guard? Ah. Ouch. Oof. Okay. Got up to here. Collect all the eggs. Oh, nope. How do I get all the way up there? Isn't like not a ladder that you could get? I'll pay all my money. I want to get up there. Ah! Give me all the... Oh! What is this? Isn't it? Look, see, it dropped another. It's dropping its own kind. This is not a normal chicken. What? Well, since we accidentally merged, this is where the video is going to be ending. So, if you didn't already, like and subscribe.